Well, somebody has commented in my morning's video that, sir, you keep on telling us that how we can protect us from being used by women and what we should not do so that we cannot get used by women. But now, please tell me, or please tell us how we can smartly use women. We have understood that what we should be doing so that we can protect ourselves from getting used by women. But what being men we can do to use women? Well, this is what interesting about men and women. Women can use men, but men cannot use women. Never ever think of using women, because what do I keep on telling you always? Women are way smarter than us men, and they know and understand more than us, and they come to know everything, and they become smarter earlier than us. So if you will have this intention of using a woman, it is you who will get played in return. It is you who will get gamed by the woman. So the very first thing that you need to tell yourself, being a man, you can never use a woman and never ever think of doing it, because if you will think of using a woman and trying to oversmart or double cross her, you might end up into serious and lifelong troubles. The woman will game you back and you will find yourself in serious and lifelong troubles. So this is something interesting about men and women. Women can use men, but being men, we cannot use women. Do not ever think of using a woman, because if you'll go and try to use woman, you'll get played back and you'll end up finding yourself in serious and lifelong troubles, because women are way smarter than you are, and they also make sure before making themselves available to men that they will not be in loss until and unless they judge that leverage in a man. They do not make themselves available to men. They are way smarter, sharper than you are. It is women who are stupid enough to fall in love with them. Women never fall in love. Before making themselves available to men, they make all their judgments that whether they will be in loss or in profit by making themselves available to this man. And they make themselves available only to the man with whom they can benefit. They never go and make themselves available to men with whom they will be in loss. So, this difference you need to understand between men and women. Women can use men, men cannot use women. In fact, if you'll think of and try to use women, you'll end up in troubles, because women are smart being and she will put you in some lifelong and serious troubles. So never ever think of using a woman. It's better if you stay open, fair, and genuine to women always from your end. Let them lie, but you do not lie. Let them try to keep you in dark, but you do not ever try to keep them in dark. Let them make false promises to you, but you do not ever make false promises to them. Always be 100% genuine, fair, and direct with them, and never try to oversmart them, double cross them, and use them. This way, you will be safe from getting yourself into lifelong serious troubles, because women don't game the men who are genuine, open, and fair with them. Women game only the men who try to oversmart them, who try to double cross them. These are the kind of men who often get played and gamed by women. And these are the men who find themselves in serious lifelong troubles with women. So do not ever try to use women, because you cannot. Women are very smart. In fact, get yourself comfortable in being used by women. Let them use you. Let them come to you and use you. Be willing to use by women. If you want to have opportunities with women, be willing to used by women. Let them come to you and let them use you. This is the kind of mindset you need to be, because when you will show this willingness to be used by them, then only these women will come to you. Then only they will think of doing something with you. Once they'll see that leverage in you, whatever they are looking for, they'll come to you for that thing and be willing to use for that thing by these women. Let them take it from you. And in exchange, you can get from them whatever you are looking for and whatever you are seeking from them. So, first of all, what you need to understand that women can use men, but men cannot use women. In fact, if men will try to use women, it is he who will end up in lifelong serious troubles. So you better give up this idea of using women. Always be fair, open, genuine with them. Never try to lie your way into their pants. Never try to keep them in dark. Never make fake promises and false promises to them. Only promise what you genuinely can do for them. Nothing false and nothing fake. This is the first thing. Second thing, you need to get yourself into being comfortable by being in being used by them, because if you'll get very adamant and if you will not let them use you, they'll not come to you, because women do not want you, they want their benefits. This is what you need to understand. Women do not need men. The men, they want their benefits. So if ever they will come to you, they will not come to you for you, they will come to you for their benefits. So you'll have to be mentally prepared to be used by them, because if you'll get very adamant in your ways and if you not let them use you, they'll not come to you, they will go and find somebody else for themselves. So the second thing which you need to understand is that you need to be mentally prepared and be comfortable in being used by them. Let them use you. Third thing is, because obviously if you'll not let them use you, they'll not come to you, they'll not stay with you. So let them come and let them use you. Third thing, you need to understand what exactly women are looking for outside, because then only you will be able to attract them towards you. So you need to know what women want. And one thing is very sure, I want all of you to inscribe it in your brain. Women do not want men. Always know this. Keep it in your brain somewhere. Do not ever think that women will give you opportunity only because you are a man. There is a difference between men and women and how we operate and how we look at each other. It is we men who want women, but women do not want men. It is we men who want women for being women. Women do not want us men for being men. They want us for what they can get from us, for all the benefits they can receive through us. So you need to know what women are actually looking for out there. I am telling you, there are three different kind of needs women have out there. First of all, there are women out there who are looking for sex, and then there are women out there who are looking for money, and then there are women out there who are looking for opportunities. This is what women are looking for: sex, money, and opportunities. Many of them are looking for attention also. Okay, you can count attention also. So they are looking for sex, they are looking for money, they are looking for opportunity, and they are looking for attention. Four things women out there are looking for. So now you need to develop those traits, attributes, things in you which can make you good in these four things. First of all, you need to begin working on yourself and help yourself build an interesting personality and physicality, because all of the women out there who are looking for sex, they are looking for a man who can give them that special and crazy experience. So when you will appear like a dashing seductive man, all of the women who are out there looking for sex will try to make an approach to you. They will try to give you an opportunity to enjoy that experience of sex with you. So first of all, you need to work on yourself and build that charming, dashing, seductive personality, that rough and tough physicality and attitude. The second kind of women who are out there are the women who are looking for money. So you need to work on your finances. You need to make yourself good in money. So when all of these women come across you and they'll see that you are a man with money, these women will not mind giving you opportunities for the money which they are looking for, which they can get through you. These women will very happily and willingly come to you and give you opportunity. And in exchange, you can always keep on taking from them whatever you are seeking and whatever you are looking for from a woman. So there are first category of women who are looking for sex. For them, you need to earn and build an interesting, charming, seductive, rough and tough personality and physicality. There are second category of women. Excuse me, I have cold actually. I have already told you. Okay. So the second category of women are looking for money. So you need to be good in finances. So when this second category of women will come across and see and notice and smell that you are a man with money, they will not mind getting comfortable with you and they'll not mind giving you opportunity. Third category of women are women who are looking for opportunities. They are looking for ways to level up in their life, promotions, job opportunity, business opportunity. So if you help yourself earn power, if you will help yourself sit in a position where you will hold power in your hands, these women will not mind giving you opportunities and coming to you. These women will keep on coming to you. These women will very happily and willingly keep on giving you opportunities. And in exchange, they'll look for some opportunity, promotions, jobs, business. Excuse me for all the disturbance which is occurring because of my cold. Just be with me, okay? So this is the third category of women. Women who are looking for opportunities so that they can level up in their life. They are looking for somebody who can help them have job opportunity, business opportunity of promotions, and all that kind of opportunity which a man who holds power and position can give them. So this is third category of women. Now there is fourth category of women who are merely looking for attention. They are not looking for sex, they are not looking for money, they are not looking for opportunity. These women are looking for attention. So for this you need to work on your emotional and mental temperament and capacity. You need to turn yourself into a man of patience, a man of emotional resilience, who can give them ear, who can give them that male attention they are looking for. And in exchange, again, you can take from them whatever you are seeking from them. So, this is what you need to know and understand about women. You can never use women. In fact, I would recommend never ever try to use women, because if you'll go and try to use women, it is you who will end up in troubles. It is you who will get gamed and played by the woman in return. So never ever try to use a woman. In fact, be willing to be used by women and know what women are looking for out there, and work on yourself to begin building and accommodating all of those things around you which women are looking for. They are looking for sex, be good in sex. They are looking for money, be good in money. They are looking for opportunities, be good in providing opportunities to people. They are looking for attention, be good in giving attention to people. And you will come across all these women when women will see that you are some who you look like somebody who can give them crazy sexual experience, and with somebody they can enjoy that sexual experience. They'll not mind giving you opportunity and coming close to you. If you will look like to them a man as a man, if you will look like to them as a man who can give them money, so all of the women who are out there looking for money, they'll not mind coming to you and giving you opportunity for the money which they can take from you. And you can always enjoy your time with them, and you can always enjoy your time with them and get from them whatever you are seeking from them in exchange of the money which they are seeking from you. And then there is third category of women who are looking for opportunities so that they can level up in their life. So for them, you need to be somebody who's good in power and position, who can actually help them have those leveling up opportunities in their life. So when they will see and notice you as a man who can help them level up in their life, they will not mind coming to you and giving you opportunities and doing whatever with you. You can always in return take from them whatever you are seeking from a woman. And then there is fourth category of women who are looking for attention, and if they'll come across you and they will get those vibes from you, if they will see that you are a man who is good in giving them attention, again they'll not mind coming to you, giving you opportunities and being close to you and being comfortable with you. And I mean, they'll not mind being comfortable with you for the attention that they feel like they can get through you. And in exchange, you can always take from these women what you are seeking from a woman. So boys, this is how women function, and this is what you need to understand. Never try to use them. Always be fair, genuine, and open with them. Be good in the things which they are looking for, and then let them come to you for the things they are looking for, and let them use you for the things they are looking for. And when they come to use you for the things they are looking for, in exchange you can always take from them whatever you are seeking from them. And this is how it works. This is the only way of receiving female experiences in your life. Your tears, as they always show to you in Bollywood movies, you cannot buy a woman with your money, you cannot buy a woman with your tears and feelings and emotions. You can never force a woman, you can never impose yourself on women. It is always her call, her choice, her decision. So being a man, all you can do is to work on yourself and make yourself good enough so that more women find you valuable and interesting, and more women find you valuable and interesting. So when women will find you more interesting, more valuable, she will not mind giving you opportunity. And when more and more women will find you interesting and valuable, then more and more women will not mind giving you an opportunity. So this is something you need to understand. And again, among all of these four kind of women, the women who are looking for sex, the women who are looking for money, the women who are looking for opportunity, and the women who are looking for attention, the best women are the women who are looking for sex. So the best thing you can do to get best experience from women, because I'm telling you, of course, the women who are choosing you for money, opportunity, and attention will not mind making you comfortable with them. But the best experience that you can get from women who are looking for men for sex. And when you make yourself appear like, look like a man who can give them that seductive, crazy, mad experience, this is the best experience you can ever have with a woman, where a woman is interested in enjoying that sex with you, and not in anything else, and not in anything else. And this is why smart men like me always uh, carry themselves with their personality and never approach women with money and all, because women who are looking for money, opportunity, and attention have different needs. And of course you can have good experiences with them, but the kind of experience you'll have with women who is looking for sex out there, that is the purest form of experience you can have with any woman, where women is choosing you not for something else but for that sexual experience. And you are also somebody who can give them that experience. You have also worked on your physicality, on your personality, and turned yourself into this dashing, crazy, handsome man, where you can arouse women sexually. And when these women who are looking for sex get aroused by your personality and physicality, you can only imagine what kind of experience you two people will have together then. So this is another level game, that where you are always carrying yourself, leading with your personality, where you are always leading to women with your personality and not with your money, power, and position, because that is a different kind of experience than this experience where women is choosing you for the need of sex. So this is another level game which you need to know and understand. So always work on your personality and always carry yourself with your personality. Always lead your way into women with your personality, because these are the women who gives you best experience. And with these kind of women you can have best experience, who are there not for anything else but only to have that experience with you. So boys, this is what you need to understand. Never try to use women, because if you will try to use women, it is you who will end up in troubles. It is women who can use men. Being a man, you can never use women. Women are way smarter than you are. They can smell your game from distance only. They can sense what you are trying to do there. So you can never double cross them. You can never oversmart them. In fact, if you will try to go and oversmart and double cross them, it is you who will get it is you who will get gamed and played by them in return. So it is better if you stay fair, genuine. Let them do whatever. They are manipulative by nature. So let them try to manipulate you. You being a man is smart enough to not get manipulated by their smart game. Work on your brain, work on your personality, make yourself smart enough that no woman can manipulate you into their game. So you cannot use them, but you can protect yourself from being used by them. Second thing, you need to be mentally prepared to be used by them, because women will come to you only when they will be able to use you for something. If you'll get very adamant in your ways where you are not letting them use you, they'll leave you, they'll not stay with you. So let them use you for something. But if you want them to use you for something, you also need to be good in something. So you need to understand what all women are looking for out there. I've already told you there are four category of women. Women are looking for sex, women are looking for money, women are looking for opportunities, and women are looking for attention. So you need to work on yourself and turn yourself into a man who can be good in these four things. A man who can give them crazy sexual experiences, a man who can give them money, a man who can give them opportunities, and a man who can give them attention. And when women will all when all these different women will come across and notice you good in whatever they are looking for, they'll not mind giving you opportunity and coming close to you and being comfortable with you. And this is how you create opportunities for yourself. But among all these four, the best is the woman who is looking for sex. And if you can attract a woman with your seductive, dashing personality, that would be the best thing that would happen to you, because there whatever will happen between you and the woman will be the purest form of experience, where the woman is not looking for anything else from you but only to enjoy that that crazy experience of getting physical with a interesting and seductive man. So this is what the best thing that can happen to you. So when a woman chooses you for that sexual experience, it is the best thing that can happen to you, because in that scenario you both are doing something which you both equally enjoy. On the other hand, when a woman is using you for your money, for your power and position, and for attention, in that scenario it will look like a transaction to you, as if some transaction is going on. Whereas on the other hand, when a woman chooses you for that sexual experience, it will feel much better to you, because sex is something which both men and women equally enjoy. So there it will feel like as if you are doing something which you both are equally enjoying. And because of this reason, the category of women who will choose you for the sexual experience are the best category of women out there. And you will have the best experience with these women, because these women are doing something with you which you equally enjoy, and it will not feel like as if you are doing some sort of transaction over there. Whereas on the other hand, when a woman will choose you for money, power, position, attention, it will make you feel like as if some transaction is going on. So because of this reason, when a woman chooses you for that sexual experience, it feels better, it feels much good. And this is why I keep on telling you that it is the purest form of experience which you can have, where a woman is doing sex with you for the sex and not to receive or get or extract something in exchange of it from you. And in fact, I do not want to get into the bad stories now, but I'm telling you, bad is one place where it feels better when a woman begins using you. You know, anywhere outside, if a woman is using you, it might feel bad to you that some woman is using you. Whereas bad is one place where if a woman uses you, it makes you feel awesome. It makes you feel so good. But I do not want to get into the details of bad stories. It is something which I may not talk about publicly. Only if you'll come for one-on-one interaction with me on private sessions, there I'll give the detail of it, that why I am telling you it is like this. But here, all you can understand is that bad is one place where it feels much better when a woman begins using you.